Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, you might have noticed that we experienced a really strong inflow of cash into the entire crypto market. And that's due to the fact that the confidence is finally making a recovery after the entire market was able to pretty much consolidate for 3 weeks, making sure it does not break below the critical support for Bitcoin at 96,000. But after 3 weeks, we're finally experiencing Bitcoin actually breaking above the demand zone between 96 and 99, and that's the reason why we're finally receiving a little bit of confidence return. And you can see that the fear to the grid index is finally going above 40. On the other end, there are some positive news coming out. First of all, Michael Saylor says there is only room for one nation to buy up 20% of Bitcoin's supply. That's going to be the US. And the amount of things which are happening with the US right now, with the amount of people entering the government which are pro crypto, there is a possibility. Dogecoin risks major dip to 14 cents amid the MVRV death cross. Is the rebound to $1 still possible? Google to explore sign-in with Google for Bitcoin wallets. This could be huge, pretty much connecting your Gmail account to Bitcoin wallets. And US market watchdog sets up a new crypto and cybersecurity unit. So there's a lot of things happening. But before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, especially Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button for you to stay up to date with the latest and the greatest news first. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just update the algorithm, push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market, they decide to buy into it, the user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. Now, first of all, I want to show you guys something interesting. If you have been paying attention to the Dogecoin price action, you'll realize that it's pretty much mapping exactly what will be happening in the entire crypto market very soon. What I mean by that is you can see that we were forming a downtrend after there was a tease of XRP and Dogecoin ETF coming out and the market having a little bit of a pull up. There was a downtrend that was starting to form. I mentioned how this time, which was about 48 hours ago, we actually finally broke out of the downtrend, and this consolidation period could be the next leg up. While you can see that a few times we did actually go down and retest close to this downtrend, but now it was acting as a support. And then you can see that Bitcoin was finally starting to show another explosive move forward. What's really interesting about Bitcoin's price action is you'll realize that if you look at the 1-day chart, it's actually, trying to break above 99,000 quite hard, but it is experiencing a really strong buying pressure and at the same time the selling pressure. That's why this consolidation phase is what we are experiencing. Let me tell you one thing, breaking over 99,000 will definitely confirm that the bulls are now in control of the entire crypto market, because ever since Trump has been in office and a lot of things have been uncertain, there's a little bit of fear that was starting to build up, and the demand zone was holding really strong between 96,000 and 99,000. Breaking above 99,000 will confirm that the bulls are now taking control of the entire crypto market, and therefore a lot of money will be flowing in. And let me tell you one thing, the next leg for the bull market, let me tell you, is going to be huge. Why? Because there's two reasons. First of all, everyone knows that 2025 is going to be a bull market year. So seeing a positive trend means there will be a lot of FOMO that will kick in. Therefore, a lot more push up will happen as more people decide to throw their money into the crypto market. The open interest for Dogecoin is pretty much sitting in the same location, but for Bitcoin, it has increased by 2%. So people are definitely taking bigger risk and bigger action. Now, this could be a huge game changer, because Google to explore sign-in with Google for Bitcoin wallet. Now, you guys know a lot of people in the past had a wallet which contained a lot of crypto, but once they have lost their key, which was the 12-letter key, there was no way to get it back. But now having access to it through your email account, this could be a game-changing point, and this could also make Google a lot of profit. At the same time, Elon Musk says he's considering having Doge audit the Federal Reserve. Now, if this happens, this could be huge, because the Federal Reserve, there is something found, and Powell is going to be, taken off, that's a very far fetch, but that could definitely change the whole trajectory for the whole entire crypto market and even the stock market. And European Central Bank looks to create a blockchain based payment system. Now, if they're able to do this payment system, it would be very interesting to see how they will integrate it with the entire crypto market, because you know that crypto market is a small part of the blockchain technology. And if blockchain is able to become so huge, and if the payment systems are done to that, let me tell you that crypto is going to be experiencing a lot of inflow. And whales bought 110 million Dogecoin just in the past 48 hours. The crypto market sentiments have shifted into a fear following the recent price correction, but there is more momentum and the market is becoming more volatile. Are XRP and Doge preparing for a 25% price move? I know for a fact that a lot of you guys are going to be very happy to hear that, but personally I do see this happening as Bitcoin is holding so strong and actually about to break out of the demand zone. There is a chance that XRP and Doge both become very volatile and very explosive. At the same time, Dogecoin whales dumps 100 million Doge, will price tumble further. So this should give you perspective how uncertain a lot of these articles are. At the same period in time, one article is saying there's a chance that Dogecoin will hit $1, while the other one is saying because there's some whales selling, we could be experiencing a very strong pullback. Now, which one to listen? Now, if you want a clear answer and what I follow personally, the easiest way to tell the way the market is going to move is pay attention to Bitcoin. Okay, if Bitcoin is able to stay in its demand zone, and especially to the higher ends, there is more opportunity for majority of the altcoins to do extremely well, and one of them being Dogecoin. And one of the best things to look at when it comes to Dogecoin is look at the meme coin market. If there's a lot of new meme coins which are coming in, which are exploding over time, when the entire market goes into a fear zone, a lot of that money is going to flow into Dogecoin, and that's been happening for a long period of time, and it's going to be exactly the same. Dogecoin faces a challenge that may limit the breakout potential despite the recent whale activity. There is too much happening. That's all I'm going to say, especially with the entire crypto market. There is so much happening, and seeing that Dogecoin is still able to sustain its price at 25 cents, even though previously 25 cents has not acted as a really strong support, this time it was able to hold on, already says a lot. And Donald Trump makes another pro-crypto appointment with new FBI director, a Bitcoiner. So this person is very strongly invested in Bitcoin, and he is going to be the director of the FBI. What does this mean? Well, the entire government of USA is slowly starting to form into a pro-crypto team, and this will be very good for the entire crypto market, but for the country, I am uncertain. And South African firm chooses Bitcoin reserve strategy as inflation hedge. So there's more countries which are trying to find the best way to support their country in the best way possible, and crypto is actually the thing that they're all turning towards. What does this mean? Well, a lot of institutional cash will be flowing in, and we might be seeing a really strong surge in the near coming future. I just want to say everything I say is not financial advice. This is just my personal opinion. I like to just let you know what I think, and at the end of the day, it's your money. Make sure you make your own decision. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.